Is, okay, does existence manifest from consciousness? My understanding from my studies thus far are that everything exists within consciousness, but does existence manifest from consciousness? Is it a quality of consciousness? Is it the ground of consciousness?
I can give you a precise answer from the Vedantic perspective. Existing, according to Vedanta, Advaita Vedanta, existing things manifest from consciousness. Existing things in the Heideggerian sense. Existence itself, of course, does not manifest from consciousness because consciousness itself exists. If existence were something that consciousness manifests, then prior to existence, consciousness would be non-existent. So existence and consciousness are the same thing. From a Vedantic perspective, pure being and pure awareness are the same thing. Existence, awareness in the sense of just the luminosity. It's not a dull, dead object existence. It's shining existence, let's put it that way. And yes, it manifests as existing things, as tables and chairs and people and thoughts and ideas, as waking, dreaming, deep sleep and all of that.